Welcome to episode number 46. We are entering the flat. Yesterday we had already seen the base structure of the kitchen main platform, and I had shown you the base waterproofing which was done here. So the door frame of this area has been completed, and the patch brickwork has also been completed. So now moving ahead, we are seeing the area which is the framing of the kitchen and the living room. False ceiling framing has already been done. The window framing of the dining area is completed. Gearing up for the work inside. So even living room partial window has been completed. So moving ahead to the common bathroom. Common bathroom, we have majorly completed the entire wall tiling. So very soon in the detailed video I'll be showing you the tiling detailing. We have already started the electrical conduiting for the master bedroom, as we are gearing up for the entire floor area. So we are trying to complete the electrical conduiting. Bathroom is all set except for the tiles in this niche. There are some highlighter which are expected. Now in the kids room we have already completed the electrical conduiting, and the brickwork and plaster for the windows side extension has also been completed. So guys, thank you so much for being with me in the journey. Do comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.